Digitalization for Lapp is not something about the future, it's happening now. So we're actually building digital solutions for our customers and the digital transformation inside, where we digitize our processes and make them much more efficient.
We really focus on the specific value we create for our customers and daily getting better and better.
And therefore cultural change is important for us to be set and ready for the tasks that come in the future.
Innovation has always been one of our core values in the company. But during the past years, one aspect has fundamentally changed. It's not specifically about a product anymore. It's really to understand customer pain points.
futureLab is kind of a co-working space. We have the first time here at the Hannover show, future development projects that we show to the outside world.
We use the opportunity to get in touch with customers at a really early stage of the development, to get the input of the customers. We also show collaboration with institutes and universities, for instance, because such huge changes in technology you can usually not manage alone.
The project business is something new for Lapp. It's about solutions for the customer. So we're talking about individual deliveries, services to have the happy customer on our side.
The new customer portal MyLab shows all the services that we are offering our customers. You only need one login and it's all at one glance.
Digitalization affects everybody, as well the Lapp group.
It changes people's work by providing more tools to become more efficient, to have more transparency, to do the daily job a little bit better.
And this is very vital for us. Therefore we started already and we are on a good way.